Hey guys, what's up? Thank you so much for watching Doki's Villa. This is Trishna and welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make an air dry clay by yourself, and secondly I'm going to show you how to make a donut keychain from that clay. So it's really easy to make, and you see this donut earrings that I'm wearing. So these earrings are also made from that clay only. So let's see how to make this. It's really interesting. Please give it a big thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel and tell in the comment section that how you like the video. And also if you want to see such more accessories that are made from this handmade clay, so you can go to my Instagram page Doki's Villa. I have made a lot of accessories like this, so you can find them there. Like my page, follow my page, and thank you so much for watching. Thank you.